What's up, everybody? Here at Space Auto, I got my Sonic Silver R34 GT-R right behind me. I'm actually dropping it back off because my trip is done here. But man, there is this absolutely incredible Midnight Purple 2 R34 GT-R here, and every time I keep looking at it, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want this thing. I'm like, man, what if I like sold my car and got that one, right? That would be absolutely incredible. Who knows? I don't know. It's a cool car. I'm gonna show you it because it's super cool, and it'd be wrong of me to not show you this amazing car. So we're gonna take a look at this thing, talk a little bit about it, show you the car, all that stuff. And if anyone's super interested in the car, you can obviously reach out. Space Auto USA is probably the best way to reach out if you're in the US, so they can help you out and help you get in the car of your dreams. Obviously, there's a whole bunch of cars here, all different kind of JDM cars, R34 GTRs, R32 GTRs, R33 GTRs, NSXs, RX-7s, Subis, you name it, all very, very clean cars because that's what they do. They export them all over the world, they ship all over the world, US, Europe, you name it, South America, wherever, everywhere. I love coming here to Space Auto because this is where I bought my car from. Absolutely incredible customer service, people, everything. Obviously, amazing showroom floor here. Cars get kept in a well-lit, nice showroom floor, very clean, no issues. It's incredible. But yeah, let's check out this 34 GT-R right behind me. That is a beautiful, beautiful midnight purple. So let's take a look at this thing. A few little handprints on it from just moving it around and stuff, but no biggie. Those can easily be wiped off. But as you can see, it's a Midnight Purple 2 and it's a 1999. So 1999 January Midnight Purple 2 R34 GT-R. It was actually just at Nissan just a little while ago. They were doing a couple little just maintenance things to it. They were I forget exactly what they were doing, but they were doing some maintenance stuff to it. So the car is all spiffy. It's all good to go. This car is, like I said, January 1999 car, so it can come January 2024. One of the first cars that will be able to come to the US. That's R34 GT-R, and this is Midnight Purple 2. You can see the color looks absolutely amazing. Don't worry about a little bit of the dust on it. That's because it was at Nissan for like a week or so they might have, you know, let some dust hang on it, or maybe they put it outside for a little bit when it rained. Who knows? I don't know. But it can easily be cleaned up, so it's all good, but it's still a cool car. Let me see, check this interior for you. Now you see just beautiful, beautiful car in here. I mean, absolutely lovely interior there. It smells good too. RB26 in there, stock motor, no like crazy modifications. These wheels are beautiful. I can't remember exactly what wheels these are, but they're beautiful. What does it say on there? I can't read. It's JDM Concept, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, stock exhaust on it. There was titanium exhaust on it for a little bit, but something about Nissan said that they needed to put it back to stock for whatever reason. I don't know why. But anyway, stock exhaust on it right now. You got the carbon fiber risers right there, so that looks good. Some people like these. I think these are raised, yeah, because my car is just the stock ones that are lower, so these ones are the raised ones, so it looks good. Let's see what else. I don't know, overall just a cool car. I mean, very, very beautiful car. Midnight Purple 2, I mean, it's something that everybody could love, everyone could enjoy, and if you're into R34 GTRs, you can definitely get this one. Obviously, there's a lot more cars here than just this. RX-7s, everything you could ever think of, it's pretty much here. Akuskas, Ken Marys, NSXs, Porsches, Subis, NSX over there, red NSX. This is one of the coolest black 911 Porsches that I know of. I want this car so bad. Tommy Mäkinen Evo 6 right here, and there's a sister car right there of it. Looks really, really good. Another Porsche right there. A lot of you got some 33, 32, 34 GTRs all here in the back. I mean, everything is just here. Everything. Nice showroom floors, everything's beautiful, well kept. You got some M specs over here as well, some V-Spec 2 R32 GT-R right there. Bayside blue R34 GT-Rs, black ones, pearl white, normal white. You got T-Spec 35 GT-R right here, Bayside blue right here. Silver NSX just tucked in the corner, hiding from everybody. All these other cars here, I mean, just amazing, beautiful cars all here at Space Auto here in Japan. If you're from the US, it's best to hit up Space Auto USA so that you can talk with English-speaking person and you're in the same time zone area. You can talk to them versus being flip-flopped. Amazing cars here. Definitely you want to get this car. If you're looking for a Midnight Purple 2 R34 GT-R, they have it. It's right here. I've made some considerations on figuring out something with this car and getting that car. But if someone buys it before me, then whatever. Good on you. This car is amazing. Absolutely love it. Oh man, super gorgeous. Thanks for tuning in. That's your quick little small tour of Space Auto and also the Midnight Purple 2 R34 GTR 1999 January. Anyone who wants it, you know what to do. Look down in the description of this video, put some links and all that stuff and where you can contact and all that. Thanks for tuning in. You guys are awesome, and I'll chat you later.